Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Unloose Beauty Nature Nail Tips and Glue Kit. And I'll be using Moonshine Mani, A Starry Night is Born, and China Glaze Ruby Pumps, as well as Bundle Monster Maniology BM XL08. I was sent the Unloose Beauty Nature Una Gela Nail Tips and Glue Kit for review. They come in sizes 0 to 11, and these are full coverage nail tips. It also comes with the instructions and a little, this little manual. It's got them written out, and then they've got some tips and tricks and some Q&A down at the bottom. And there we go with that. This kit also came with a little mini light that plugs in. It plugs into a computer, and then it also has the nail glue, and this is for applying the tips. And I want to show you the consistency real quick. Very thick stuff, very nice. So we're going to do one nail today. I've got one nail that I need to do, and they also threw in some little gems. So here we go. I'm going to start off by just cleaning my nails with some alcohol. Now there is a part of this in the video that I do that I don't recommend, and I'll tell you about that when we get there. I love that these are etched on the inside where they go on your nails. You can see that frosted area. That is really nice. It helps with it adhering to the nail nicely. Beautiful shaped square or squoval, kind of like I like. And you're definitely going to want to make sure it fits side to side. And you may have to get a bigger tip and file it down. So I didn't have to do that with mine. It fit side to side really well. Now I'm going to scrape off most of the glue, the nail gel glue. And I'm just going to put just a little bit. It does not take much to apply these. Very, very little. So put the cap back in the bottle, the brush back in the bottle. And I really should have trimmed that nail down even more before I did this, but we're going to roll with it. And then you apply it back at the base near your cuticle and kind of rock it forward and lay it flat and squeeze it. Try to get all the air bubbles out. I'm going to put it under the little lamp, and I'm kind of pulling mine out to make sure I like the position of it. And this system I think is really neat. I really like that it's just a quick, it's real quick to put these on. This does not take all day, and I really do like that. Now I can't tell you how many seconds I was under the lamp, but I have left this all in, but I have sped the video up just a little bit. So that'll maybe give you an idea of how long it was. I did my video speed at 1.25, so just a little faster than real time. Not too much. But I do love the little lamp. It's easy to get in and under it without it, without bumping the nail. And you can see that fits really well. They're really thin too. I really like that, but sturdy. So I'm going to go in and do some filing and shaping on this. I am using a pretty heavy-duty grit nail file here. And I am holding the nail with my thumb because I don't want to be like, messing my natural nail up underneath it too bad. Now here I'm laying it down. I don't have my thumb on it anymore, but I'm not going at it like I was. You see when I can, I put that thumb on there. I just want to get this file down to about the length of my other nails. And that was my real intent for giving these a shot, is because I wanted to see if, like if I break one, which is what's going on with this nail that we're working on. Gonna give it a see and see how, how easy it is to do that. And I've got like a little bit of, when you file, you get some of those crusties, so I'm trying to get them off of there. And there we go. Now, it is a little wider than my natural nail, but you can't, you just they can't look the same as your natural nail. There would be nothing there, and it would have no strength, and it just wouldn't work. So I would recommend, if you're doing this, to do the full set and not use it as a one tip, one. But it's up to you. So we're going in with A Starry Night is Born by Moonshine Manny. And you can see that polish is going on that tip really well. And I didn't file like the shiny surface off of it or anything. I do recommend that if you're planning on wearing these for a week or two, you might want to do that to make the polish stay on longer. So here we go. We're going to get this all polished up in Butamus. And next up, we're going to apply some Out the Door top coat from I&M. Get these to dry down because I'm still playing. I will let you know that I'm going to have a full manicure using these tips, or these full coverage tips, on another video coming up very soon. But I wanted to hurry up and get this one done because I'm a little late getting to it. Here's my swatch photo of the Mani on its own right now. BMXL08 is our stamping plate today, and I'm going to use this like cheetah print, my H. Lacoste scraper, and a cube stamper. I'll be stamping with Shutout by Bases Loaded Lacquer, and we're just going to like, plop this out. Get her done. So there we go. We got it picked up, and we're going to stamp it on the nail. And there you go, all done. I'm going to clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate's going to get cleaned with pure acetone, so we can put it away. You guys know how I am about these plates. I got to clean it before I put it away. I'm going to hop in with a little piece of tape and get up some of the excess off of my skin. Got something's stuck there. Let's get that off up there. I could have edited this out, but I want to show you all the realities of playing nails, so that if this happens, it's not just you. Oh, come on with it, girl. There we go. Okay. I'll be using China Glaze Ruby Pumps. And I'm just going to dot some color in on this cheetah print stamped nail. I'm just using a little dotting tool. And to be honest, it would have been way better to do a reverse stamp, I think, in hindsight. And I have changed to the smaller end of the dotting tool. And the blobs were getting pretty big. I still like the way it looked in the long run. It was good stuff, You guys know I always love playing with Ruby Pumps. I will have a link for this nail tip glue kit down below if you'd like to go, check it out and maybe purchase it. I'm not pushing it. I'm just showing y'all what's out there. So I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat. Get it to, kind of get something on there without smudging it. Hi Woody, how you doing? And now that that is completely dry, I'm going to go in with my Poshe top coat and finish this off. I did put Poshe on all the other ones too, just saying. So here we go with the finishing touch. And see, there we go. Now that you know. Now that you see it, I'm telling the truth. And here is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.